Did you hear that?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, me too. Okay, this is WIKISPEED stand up Thursday, December 21st, longest day of the year. And the additional panel on the screen is that there was a computer left on. And over to you.
Okay, it's Michael Wolchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. Not a lot to report for this week. We did talk to Joe. I can get into the GoDaddy account and look at stuff for the website, although my investigation so far has turned out to be a whole lot more complicated than the YouTube examples would lead me to believe. So I haven't gotten anything actually done yet. I also got a little bit of stuff done on the pump runtime and temperature log. I got some new parts, but nothing directly with WIKISPEED. And next week, I'm still hoping to get a little bit of stuff done on the knitting machine, but not much. There's going to be a lot of family stuff happening. So blocks, it's Christmas time, and I don't have a lot of time to put into it. So back to you.
Okay, so it's Lauren Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And the past week, what I mainly did was set up the meeting to get the website going, and that was a success. So, that's that's pretty much it for me. Coming week, I hope to do a fair amount. I think I'm going to be home, and I would not, maybe not a fair amount, but I'm thinking of the Sun Founder would be a good project for this week. So blocks are. I'm in good shape for time because I don't have much going in the coming week, and there's fewer distractions. So I will say this: I don't have a lot of blocks. And back to you for the retro.
I'm going to give I think I got 1 point for doing posting stand up last week, and one out of 4 for my points, and 1 for showing up at stand up gives me, I think, 3 or 4 out of 10. And we'll
Wait,
go 7 for the team. And
point of
what do you
order.
think?
Point of order. We did the thing with Joe.
Oh, okay. So what are you counting for that?
I'm saying 2. It was
Okay.
important. It's not
Okay.
easy to get everybody together.
Okay. So what you organize it, I just showed up. So I'll maybe take 1 for that one.
Okay.
Okay. I'm up to 6 out of 10. How's
Yeah.
that?
Cool. Okay. And the team.
Go with, well, probably 8 for the team because we did get something done this week,
Yeah.
which, yeah, we'll go 8.
Okay. Yeah, I'm going to give myself likewise a 6 and 8 for the team, and we're on our way with the process. It's not a process improvement, but we've got the task underway for reconnecting with people.
Right.
And so that's it. And I am going to end the recording.
Okay. So when do you want to, are you just going to send me a message when you're around? I should be around
Um,
most of the day tomorrow.
yeah, just let me end the recording and I'll talk about it.
Okay.